Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the English to Speakers of Other Languages exam? This is Praxis exam code 5362. This problem set covers the subtopic of professionalism and advocacy. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Let's jump in. Question number 1. When advocating for an English language learner, what should a teacher do before they voice their concerns? Read a text on teaching English language learners. Determine if a legal right, such as accommodations given on tests, is being withheld from the English language learner. Talk to the special education department about learning issues the English language learner might have. Or talk to the parents of the English language learner. Reading about teaching English language learners can provide valuable information, but it does not directly address the specific needs or rights of the student in question. Talking to the special education department might be relevant if there are learning issues, but this step should be taken after understanding the legal rights of the English language learner. Talking to the parents of the English language learner is important for maintaining communication, but it should come after the teacher has a clear understanding of any legal obligations or rights that may be at issue. The correct answer here is B. Before voicing concerns, a teacher should first ensure that the English language learner's legal rights are being respected, as this forms the basis for advocating effectively and ensures that the student is receiving the appropriate support and accommodations they are entitled to. Question number 2. What best describes the purpose of professional development? Professional development enables educators to reflect on their teaching practices, learn new information about their field, and be introduced to new teaching techniques. Professional development is primarily meant to allow a space for instructors to network. Professional development encourages teachers to be more professional. Or, professional development allows teachers a space to vent about institutional problems they are facing. Professional development as a space for instructors to network is a secondary benefit and not the primary purpose. Encouraging teachers to be more professional is vague and does not capture the full scope of professional development. Allowing teachers a space to vent about institutional problems is not the purpose of professional development, as it focuses more on personal grievances than growth and learning. The correct answer, therefore, is A. This is the primary purpose of professional development. It helps teachers grow in their profession by continually updating their knowledge, skills, and teaching strategies, ultimately benefiting their students. Question number 3. Which of the following best defines a pedagogy that seeks to empower English language learners through relating instruction to students' diverse cultural identities and lived experiences? Social constructivism, progressivism, culturally relevant teaching, or liberationism? Social constructivism focuses on learning as a social process where knowledge is constructed through interaction, but it does not specifically address the cultural identities of English language learners. Progressivism emphasizes learning by doing and student-centered instruction, but it is broader in scope and not specifically about cultural relevance. Liberationism involves education as a means of liberation from oppression, but it doesn't specifically connect with relating instruction to students' cultural identities. The correct answer is C. This pedagogy specifically aims to empower English language learners by connecting instruction to their diverse cultural identities and lived experiences, making learning more meaningful and accessible. Question number 4. Which of the following best describes the role of a paraprofessional in an ESL classroom? Provide translation services. Collaborate with a certified teacher to support students. Act as a liaison between the parent and school. Or provide assessments to determine students' English language levels. Translation services can be one of the tasks a paraprofessional may assist with, but it is not the primary role in an ESL classroom. Acting as liaison between the parent and school may sometimes be part of their duties, but it doesn't capture the full scope of their role. Providing assessments to determine students' English language levels is typically the responsibility of certified teachers and not paraprofessionals. The correct answer here is B. The primary role of a paraprofessional in an ESL classroom is to work alongside the certified teacher to provide additional support to students, helping to implement instructional strategies and assist with classroom management. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you can expect to find about the subtopic of professionalism and advocacy for the Praxis 5362 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Good luck and bye for now.